Alright guys, what's going on? Eric from the Wisco guys here, and in today's video we're going to be doing the 194 amber side marker lights for the Ford Ranger. Now I have a smoked pair. A lot of guys will have the factory amber ones. I have smoked ones. These are factory ones, but they are smoked. So I just have a regular halogen in there and it somewhat lights it up. So if you have a stock one, this will work as well, but this is the amber side marker lamp 194 bulb, and we're going to change this out real quick. So we're going to change this out and we're going to compare from side to side. Like I said, I have a smoked set, and we actually smoked these in the body shop a while back. Up in here, and there's a tab that you want to press, and you just press. You'll feel the tab, you press up, and then it pops right out. And then there is your harness, and that's what we want right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist that harness pigtail out, and then there's our 194 bulb. So let's get that changed out. So what you're gonna want to do is just grab that bulb, yank it out. So we got that out. We got the amber 194 bulbs. Pop that out. Pop this in. Plug it in. There it is. Take your housing. We're gonna put that back in like so. All set there. So top in first. Snap the bottom. There you go. Heard it snap. There we go. Let's turn these lights on and see what they look like. Oh yeah, that's much brighter. You can actually see the bulb in there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, that's much brighter. Definitely. Let's check the other side. Oh yeah, dim. Don't really know what's going on there. You go to the other side, and that's bright. That's what we want. We want some outputtage of light, so that's what we got. So I'm gonna do the other side real quick, and then we'll check it out at the same time. So as quick as that, we got both sides in. A lot brighter than the stock halogen 194. So I'm really liking that. Perfect. So that's it, guys. Pretty simple, short video. Definitely check out the other videos. We did high beams, low beams, turn signal switchbacks, and then we did fog lights as well, along with the license plate lamps. We've done those as well too. Definitely check those out. They'll be in the link in the description below for Auxito.com. I will put a link to the bulbs that we put in for these amber 194s. So definitely check them out. Definitely thank you Auxito for sending out the bulbs. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Definitely use the Wisco guys discount code to get yourself 12% off any product on Auxito.com. So thanks guys. You have a good day or night or whatever you're having. Thanks guys. Bye.